if you search seaborn example plots, you should get the sample gallery that seaborn has. And if you look at this, look at all these beautiful examples. And so you could try any of these, right? Like, look, here's a scatter plot, okay? That's surprising that that's a scatter plot, I think. You could look at how they did that. Now, you can only pick a couple of these, right? I mean, I suppose over time you could try more. This is a fun one. This is a joint grid. And so let's look at this and look at how we might, say, use the code to build a joint grid of our own, okay? And let's just go ahead and copy in the code here. We'll come back to our notebook. And if we look at it, okay, let's just try sort of the essentials. Now, they're adding their own data frame. Okay, we already have a data frame. And that's from their data frame, so we need ours. Well, let's look at the difference between the casual and the registered users. So casual, registered. And now we can try to keep everything else, and let's see what happens. Note that this is a way that you can change the seaborn backgrounds, okay? So we'll just go with what they have. Press Shift Enter, and it doesn't work, right? And so this is interesting. So why doesn't it work? Well, little tip here. So don't actually include like code that you don't know. Like what is this clip stuff? I'm honestly not sure. Like I don't know all the code. Okay, this is somebody's example. I'm gonna comment this out. Okay. And I'm gonna leave the rest. Now I'll go ahead and add this plt.show at the end to get rid of that one line. And let's see what happens. Okay. So we're trying a different run of this, and look at that, it actually works. And so this clip was I think setting things based on their data. It was removing the data here, and this is, I don't know, it looks really cool, right? I like this because it looks like space, and what it's showing you, so it's showing the histogram, right, of the casual users and the registered users, and the light areas are where they're overlapping. And so you can see the strongest is right here in the middle, like about 1,000 casual and 4,000 registered users is what you're often seeing. So a really cool way to look at the data. And, some of it is, if you go back to Seaborn, it's about modifying their code so that you can get it to work with your code.